In this video, we are going to see how we can kick out some of the people that are currently joined in our private server on the Roblox mobile app. It's a pretty simple and straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, we will find the game which we have created the private server for. Recently, I've created for Stealer Brain Rot. I click on that. And basically we scroll down. Instead of playing, we just swipe down until we see all of these options. We go to the servers. And I can see my private server right here. Click on that or click on edit. And here we have two options. As we can toggle on the friends allowed to join the server members are already added here. So we click on one of them to remove that. As you can see, are you sure you want to remove this person from your private servers? They will no longer be able to join your private server. Click on remove, and whenever we want to, let's say, add them back, we click on add people and we search for them again, and we can simply add whenever we want to. So that is how we can kick out someone from the private server on the Roblox mobile app. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.